How are you? Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to air fryer
Here
chicken.
I have the onions, the spring onion, red onion, garlic and ginger and parsley. What I'm doing is I'm putting them all inside the chicken. I had already cleaned the chicken. Here I have a string. I'm using the string to tie at the end so that everything will be intact inside the chicken. Here I'm adding the soy sauce and I apply on both sides of the chicken. I also apply the chili cube, the chicken one. I also sprinkle Himalayan salt on both sides. I also added ginger powder. I also added black pepper. Also, I added all-purpose flour. Now it's time to prepare the air fryer. As you can see, I want to fry oil inside the air fryer, just a little bit of the oil. Apply on all sides at the corners. I have now put the chicken in the air fryer and also added garlic and ginger on top and some parsley. Set the air fryer at 200 degrees for 20 minutes. Then halfway, remove the chicken so that you can turn it on the other side, and also add parsley. Now, return it back to the air fryer and wait for the 10 minutes. Now it's ready, very crunchy, ready to be served. Please subscribe and share.